Welcome to our channel. Starting off with Ree
and Sammy Girl,
and we are
the Bunny Queens.
Okay, so we're gonna be showing you guys some lady ass makeup brushes. Okay, packaging on point. Mermaid male, how cute. And then of course their little stickers, these mermaid brushes right here. And then the unicorn, their symbols. Unicorn Cosmetic. This is from Unicorn Cosmetic.
Okay. I haven't heard of it.
Let's open her cup. Ooh, I like this. So it has the little card right here. So it shows you what the brushes are for and their names. And then on the box, it has the same picture from the card. So we don't have to worry about that part.
Yeah, it's the same.
It's this, like, can we just look at those? They're so gorgeous.
It's like all your mermaid besties. And this is how it looks. Let's take it out.
Oh, and also they have the little tail.
Oh, that's cute.
To like know what brush goes in there. They have the same tail.
I love the design. I'm sorry for my voice, guys. I'm sick. So that's why I sound like this. But right off the bat, like, you guys see the detail in this brush? Let me focus it. Like, the detail in this brush is so gorgeous. Real. Full of all the beauty from the top of your brow to your chest palette. Ooh.
So that's the powder.
She may look like a princess, but she has the abilities to challenge academia.
It's super soft. I believe it's synthetic.
Right.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah.
But oh my god. It's so pretty. Like,
each one is like different. Each brush like beautifully designed, and it's so different.
ooh, that tail. Ooh. And then what I love about this is that they have their symbol here. And the letters encrypted. And
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Let me see.
Yeah. Right here.
Oh.
They have the letters and on the tail as well. Oh shit, they don't have it here. I thought I saw some letters. I could have sworn, guys, I saw some letters. Okay, but no, they just have it here. The UC for Unicorn Cosmetics. And oh, it's so pretty. Now let's read what it says. It says use bubbles for shimmer and glow. Sweep her across those cheekbones for a healthy sheen. The hidden secret is not only for cheeks, bubbles can be used to sweep down the nose and across the chest for a subtle contour and to reduce some shine if needed. But girl, who wants to reduce some shine?
I know, right?
No. Okay, so I'm guessing this one is more like for contour and for glow.
Oh,
Highlight. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
It's so beautiful. Ah, I love this seashell. Yeah, it's a seashell. Design.
Kind of shape. The colors. Love.
I really appreciate this orange. Blue. But it's green at the top. Oh my god. Like, dude. Like, I'm
shook.
Yeah, shook.
Shook.
Okay, let's read what this beauty's for. See, secret is Don't too loud. But use literally under the eyes to get right between those lashes and up close to your eye line. With concealer cream to hide those dark circles. That's what she's talking about.
She's talking about. Hey, that was a slug.
Anyway, okay.
Okay, so foundation and or concealer. Okay, now this is called Delphi. You can see in the bristles that it has a color change from like light purple to dark purple, and also on the tail line. That ooh. Ooh.
Don't you just feel like a mermaid already?
Yes. But girl, for the price of these brushes, they better make me like a fucking mermaid.
Oh. Girl, tell us about it.
Well, the price for these 4 brushes are...
Excuse me? What? You paid $92 for that?
Yes. It was $92 for only 4 brushes. Talk about some expensive brushes.
Hey,
y'all want to talk about the Kylie?
Yeah, y'all want to talk about the Kylie brushes, but only 4 brushes for $92? Some shit don't add up. Let me get the calculator. Some shit don't add up.
Okay, but I mean, we are talking about design and texture here. Oh my god.
Yeah, like even though I kind of want to get like upset with you, like the Kylie brushes, they're just basic ones. Like the Elf ones look better than like artists. These are artists.
Their time doing this.
Each one.
And also, like the image that we showed y'all before of the 4 mermaids, man, that image was beautiful.
I think I'm willing to support people. I'm willing to support artists who want to they're taking their craft serious, not just like, make some brushes
and just throw it out there.
Put my name on it and that's it. No, these are people that are like, okay, I want to create these type of brushes. And
you want to be remembered for this.
Yeah, I wish this had like a feel, like so you guys can feel it, because it's kind of bendy. And you know, you guys see those other brushes that are just like plastic ones that easily come off. Like, yeah, easily come off.
Really cheap looking.
So,
but these, no.
Can't do that with those, honey.
and.
You gotta, like, they send you a little stand.
So, this is their little clamp stand, and you just basically put them here.
Like, how cute is that?
Well, that was a wrap. We would like to thank Unicorn Brushes Cosmetics for making these beautiful brushes.
And no, we're not sponsored by them. We purchased them out of our money, so we are not sponsored by them.